Good evening everyone. Today I'll be presenting a liver disorder that affect many people worldwide, which is fatty liver. In fatty liver, as the name suggests, there is accumulation of fat in the liver cells. This is also known as hepatic steatosis. There are two main types of fatty liver disease. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is in short NAFLD. The exact etiology is not known. However, having obesity or diabetes increases the risk of NAFLD. There are two clinical forms of NAFLD. Number one is simple fatty liver. In this condition, there is accumulation of fat in the liver cells without any inflammation or damage to the liver cells. It usually remains silent and do not progress to complications. Number two is non-alcoholic steatotic hepatitis, NASH. This condition occurs when there is inflammation of the liver cells which causes damage to the cells, resulting in complications such as fibrosis and cirrhosis. Scarring of liver tissue occurs which may cause liver failure. The second main type of fatty liver disease is alcoholic fatty liver disease, also known as AFLD. This type is caused by alcohol consumption. The condition may progress to serious illness due to liver enlargement and damage to the liver cells due to ongoing inflammation. This is also called alcoholic steatotic hepatitis. In this slide, you can see different stages of liver damage due to fatty change. Initially, the liver appears enlarged, then greasy on the surface. Then gradually fibrosis starts occurring due to inflammation and finally leads to scarring and shrinkage of the liver tissue. The final stage is known as cirrhosis, in which most of the normal liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue and the liver function is significantly reduced, causing liver failure. Malignant transformation may take place in the scar tissue, resulting in hepatocellular carcinoma. The microscopic picture shows liver cells filled with fat that appears as clear spaces in the cells, pushing the nucleus to the periphery. This appearance is hallmark of the fatty change and known as signet ring appearance. Causes of fatty liver: alcohol consumption, obesity, type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance, high levels of cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood, metabolic syndrome, pregnancy, adverse effects of certain medications such as methotrexate, infections such as hepatitis C, rare genetic disorders, for example, Wilson's disease, and polycystic ovarian syndrome, besides some other conditions. Symptoms of fatty liver. Fatty liver usually remains silent and diagnosed accidentally on ultrasound abdomen, performed for some other reasons. However, in some advanced cases, symptoms may occur which include fatigue and tiredness, pain in the upper right side of the abdomen, weight loss. With further progression of the disease, following symptoms may be found: jaundice, which is yellow coloration of the eyes and skin, bruises on the skin, urine becomes dark, distended abdomen, hematemesis, which is vomiting out blood, black stools, pruritus, that is itchiness of the skin, tortuous blood vessels underneath your skin, usually around the umbilicus. Breast enlargement in men, which is called gynecomastia, redness of palms. Now, how to confirm diagnosis? There are certain tests which confirms the fatty liver disease. There are certain tests which confirm the fatty liver disease and also the severity of the disease and damage it caused to the liver. Liver function test to check liver damage, blood sugar level and HbA1c to diagnose diabetes, lipid profile for cholesterol, ultrasound abdomen, CT scan or MRI of the liver, and liver biopsy. Management of fatty liver. There is no specific medication available to treat a fatty liver. Management encompasses lifestyle modifications which improve the condition and even restore liver function. In case of metabolic fatty liver disease, following measures are recommended: intake of healthy diet with no or less sugar, weight reduction in case of excess weight, regular physical activity or exercise, blood sugar monitoring and control if high, control of high cholesterol in blood in case if these are high, avoid hepatotoxic medicines, consult your physician about any medicines prescribed to you, stop alcohol consumption, stop smoking. Thank you for listening. If you like the video, make sure to drop a like. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments below. You can also buy my book on general pathology lecture notes. It will be greatly beneficial for students wanting to quickly revise basic concepts of general pathology.